Hi guys, welcome to Nevin's channel. Today we are going to do this little cute hot dog together, so let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring just like this, and then we put our hook into the hole, yarn over once to the one chain, and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over go through the two loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. And for the first round, we need to do 8 single crochet. Now we need to do 7 more. So after the 8 single crochet, we just put this end to close the circle in the center. And then we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in. And then yarn over, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. For next round, we do one chain to start, and then put our hook into the very first stitch. We yarn over, and then yarn over go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. For this round, the pattern is our single crochet increase. Single crochet increase means in the same stitch, we need to do 2 single crochets. So for our very first stitch, we need to do 1 more single crochet. And then for the following stitches, we need to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. We just repeat it to the end. So after the last single crochet increase, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round, and then put our hook into our very first stitch, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. For this round, the pattern is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase. So for second stitch, we need to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And then we're just gonna repeat it. 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet increase. After the very last single crochet increase, we take up the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here, we do 1 chain, and for this one, we only crochet the half of the stitch. We only crochet the half of the stitch. We put our hook in the very first stitch, and then yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And then we put a mark for our very first stitch. For the second stitch is a single crochet increase. We put our hook in the middle of the stitch, just like this, and then do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. The next one is a single crochet. Then is a single crochet. We repeat 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase. And then for our very last stitch, this one should be another single crochet. We just repeat doing it. All for crochet, we do only the half stitch for this round. So after finish the very last single crochet, we're gonna do a invisible slip stitch. We leave about this long and then slip off. In the mark place, we first take it off and then put our hook from the back into the mark place, and then grab this yarn over here. And then this is our very last stitch. This one, we put our hook from the back like this into the center of the stitch, yarn over here. So in here we did a fixed stitch, is this one, and then we just weave this yarn in. Now we're going to the lattice part. We first do a magic ring like this, and then put our hook into the center, yarn over here, yarn over twice. This is the first time we do 1 chain, and second one 2 chain. And for this one, we're gonna do 15 half double crochet. We yarn over and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over here. We should have 3 loops on our hook, and yarn over, go through 3 loops at once. And we just do 14 more half double crochet. After finish the very last half double crochet, we just pull this end to close the circle in the center. And then back to our very first half double crochet. There should be a little hole in here, so it's very easy to find it. Put our hook in, yarn over here. For the next round, we need to do 3 chains to start. And then in our very first stitch, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and yarn over go through 2 loops on our hook. The pattern is the 3 chains and then single crochet. If you have like a little hole like me in the center, that's totally fine because we can hide it later. We just do 3 chains in here, and then in the next full stitch we do a single crochet. We just repeat doing it till the end. And then after finishing my very last stitch, we put our hook into the little hole in here, do a slip stitch, and then pull our hook directly with 1 chain to slip out. Now we are going to the sausage part. We do a magic ring first, and then put our hook in, yarn over, do 1 chain. For the first round, the pattern is 3 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then take a mark, remember. And then we do 2 more single crochet. After the last one, we put the end to close the circle in the center, take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. For the next round, we put our hook in the very first stitch, and then the very first stitch we need to do a single crochet increase, which means in the same place we need to do 2 single crochet. I need to do 1 more, put our hook in, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. Also remember to put a mark on your very first stitch, and then for our second stitch is a single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through 2 loops. We also can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. And then for our very last stitch is a single crochet increase. In this stitch, we need to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And then we take off our mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch. This one is a little bit hard to crochet because it always twists, like during crocheting. So just give it a little bit patient. And then we do 1 chain. For this round till the round 7, we just do all single crochet around 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Remember to put a mark. We should have 5 single crochet for the round. The second one, so after finish the last single crochet, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch. To finish this round, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round, and then do our single crochet around. For every round, we need to do a slip stitch to finish it, and then do a 1 chain to start it. So we just repeat doing it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I will update weekly. So it's around 7. After finishing the very last single crochet, we put our hook in the very first stitch, and then yarn over here, pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. For the next round, we first need to do a single crochet decrease. We put our hook into the center of our very first stitch, just like this, only the half of it, and then the same to our second stitch, only the half of it, like this, and then yarn over, go through 2 half stitch, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is a single crochet decrease. We can put a mark so we know where to do the slip stitch later. And then for the next stitch is a normal single crochet. We put our hook into the full stitch, and then yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And then for the remaining 2 stitches is a single crochet decrease. We're gonna put our hook into the center of the next stitch, just like this, only half of it. And then for the very last stitch is the same, only half of it. Yarn over, go through the 2 half stitches, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. In here, we're gonna do a slip stitch. We take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook. We leave about this long, and then snip off. So right now we need to close the little hole in here. We need to use our needle. Just put our needle in the half of the very first stitch, like this, and then we skip the next full stitch. In our third one, we put our needle only the half of the stitch, like this, and then we just pull it. We put our needle into the center, very center of it, and go through it a few times. Now we close it. You can do like 3 more times to weave those in. Then we're gonna use a dry yarn to decorate it a little bit. We need to split the yarn into only 2 strings, just like this, so it can be thinner. We just sew it on this sausage. And then we just use a hot glue to glue them together. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you guys next time. Bye.